Hello everyone! Today we will be reviewing and unboxing some car parts I discovered on Partsavatar.Ca. First up, we have the NGK Iridium spark plugs. The difference between other regular spark plugs and these ones are that these have a longer life, lower fuel consumption, and a smoother idle, meaning improved ignition efficiency, enhancing power and acceleration. If you don't know what spark plugs do, or what they are, then let me tell you about them. Spark plugs are used to put the vehicle's pistons in motion and get your vehicle up and running. This specific set included 4 spark plugs of high quality as explained before. Out of all spark plugs I have bought, these are by far superior. Still have 2 more items, and this one is my personal favorite out of all today. Wix's air filters are our second item. I decided to buy 2 of them because if you pay over $100 Canadian, it's free shipping for the purchase. This is one of the awesome features of Partsavatar.Ca's website. The company Wix has been around since 1939, so they definitely know what they are doing. Wix's air filters keep foreign particles like soot, dirt, carbon, and abrasives from entering the fuel mix and damaging your own vehicle engines. Our last item, but certainly not least, Proton's cabin air filter, specifically PC6080. Cabin air filters filter up to 99% of airborne contaminants. I highly recommend this item for cars and similar vehicles. Thank you for our sponsor, Partsavatar.Ca, for sponsoring this video. I highly recommend their website for any car parts. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.